Hi guys, it's Whitney here at BYO Playground, where we feature the best in playground equipment made right here in the United States. Just in time for spring, we're featuring April's Playground of the Month sale. So without further ado, let's get started. For April's Playground of the Month sale, we're featuring Cabana Bay. Featuring the ever-popular Stratascend climber, our most popular playground equipment components combine to feature the ultimate structure for the best value. At 40% off plus free shipping, Cabana Bay is yours for $21,139. That's a value of over $35,000. You can take advantage of this playground equipment sale by clicking on the link in the description below. We feature plenty of other forms of playground equipment, site amenities, dog park equipment, and anything you may need for your outdoors and recreation space. Hope to see you there.